all you moms and friends out there. Healthimom here, and I'm popping into your email or social media to tell you about something special I've put together just for you. It's the Healthimom Kickstart Bootcamp. And of course you're asking, what's that? Well, let me tell you. Let me answer your question with a question. What is it that moms of young children need more of? Time and money. Am I right? Yes. Poor moms. They are overworked and underpaid. And every day starts to seem just like the last, and you start to feel like you're getting caught in a hamster wheel, that there's no end in sight, and that what you're doing, you begin to question, does it really matter? Is it making a difference? And of course, I'm here to tell you that it is. It's so important. You're raising the leaders of tomorrow. But that doesn't mean that your days don't start looking the same day after day when you're in your today. And that's why I put together this boot camp. I'm the mother of 6, and I've been there, I've done that. I remember those feelings. And I wanted to create something that would help you streamline your day, help you cut some corners, find some tips and tricks and strategies that would make you feel not as overwhelmed, and also help you realize your value and your worth and the difference that you really are making in the world. So again, that's why I put together this boot camp, and it's a 10-day boot camp, Monday through Friday, with the weekend in between. And yes, you can start any Monday of your choosing. So I really try to make it so it fits you and your schedule and what you have going on. But for a limited time, I have a discount available where you can get 20% off. And that's what this special link below will be showing you, is how to get the discount and how to get either yourself or a young mom in your life that you know and love, how to get her started taking the boot camp and getting her life back, getting more of a handle on what's going on, and seeing and feeling her true value. So take a look, and thanks for listening, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.